The water has finally receded. And I'm just doing a little walk around in my yard to kind of show you guys what was underneath the water. Lots of branches fell. Yes, sweetness. Okay, he's right over there. And we just have lots of branches. This tree almost got pulled up out of the ground. You can see where its root system is pulled. Ooh, we've been out of water for, it'll be 24 hours today. Apparently, huh. We lost a tree up here, which I've never seen a tree that has fallen over really up close. Still have some water in the ditches. But here's the tree that fell. And you can see the root system underneath. We think that the trees probably broke a lot of the wind from the hurricane. I think it was a Category 1 when it came through here. Maybe a little higher based on what I was looking at on the map. It may have been between a 1 and a 2, but we have over 100 trees on our property, and a lot of people in our neighborhood lost their porches. Just the wind just ripped them off. And I think, my husband thinks that the trees might have actually broken some of the wind from getting on our house as much as it normally would have if we hadn't had so many trees on our property, but that's just a theory. And that's our neighbor's house. They lost a lot of their fence, but so far, other than that, it looks pretty good over on our side of the neighborhood.